How to get verified on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get verified on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get verified on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Facebook application here. After that, make sure to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, and then you will land on this page where you just have to tap the three dots option here, and then you'll find the option over here known as Meta Verified. So make sure to tap on Meta Verified option, and as you tap the Meta Verified option over here, you should be able to see this type of interface where you'll find the option called Next, where if you just tap on the next option, you should be able to see this. And now you can tap on sign up this profile option here. As you do that, here you'll be able to see you'll be billed $7.99 a month to get Meta Verified. So all you have to do is tap the pay to get benefits option, and as you do that, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and basically subscribe and get Meta verification. This way you can get verified on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.